हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल होम्योपैथी केयर। मैं डॉक्टर ज्योति आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ एम्बोलिज्म। एम्बोलिज्म इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द थ्रोम्बोएम्बोलिज्म। इट इज़ ब्लॉकेज कॉजिंग पीस ऑफ मटेरियल इनसाइड द blood vessels. Embolism is the process of partial or complete obstruction of some part of cardiovascular system. Any mass carried in the circulation, the transported intravascular mass detached from its site of origin is called embolus. Most usual form of emboli, 90% of are thromboemboli. Originated from the thrombi, they are their parts detached from the vessel wall. Classification of the emboli are four types, and first is the depending upon the matter in the emboli are three types. First is the solid, second is the liquid, and third is the gaseous. And second type, depending upon the whether infected or not, two types. First is the blend when sterile, and second is the septic when infected. Third type of emboli, depending upon the source of the emboli, they are four types: cardiac emboli, arterial emboli, third is the venous emboli, fourth is the lymphatic emboli. Depending upon the flow of blood, they are special type of emboli are two types: paradoxical embolus and retrograde embolus. Paradoxical embolus, also known as crossed embolism, an embolism from the veins cross the arterial venous system. They are generally found only the heart problems such as septal defect हो गया between the atria and ventricles. The most common such abnormality is patent foramen ovales occurring in about 25% of adult population. But here the defect functions as well wall which is normally closed because pressure is slightly higher in the left side of the heart sometimes. For example, if the patient coughs just when an embolus is passing, it might cross the arterial system. And second is retrograde embolus. The embolus which travel against the flow of blood is called retrograde embolus. And anterograde embolus is the movement of the emboli is the direction of blood flow. And thromboembolism, a detached thrombus are part of the thrombus constituents the most common type of embolism. These may arise in the arterial or venous circulation. Arterial is systemic thromboembolism. Arterial thromboembolism may be derived from the following sources. First is the cause within the heart. 80 to 85% of these are mural thrombi in the left atrium or left ventricle, aortic valve, and heart valve are cardiomyopathy. And arterial embolism can cause occlusion in any part of the body. It is major cause of infarctions, tissue death from blockage of the blood supply. And embolus lodging in the brain from either the heart or a carotid artery will most likely be cause of stroke due to ischemia. Arterial embolus might originated in the heart. Following arterial emboli of the cardiac origin are frequently encountered in the clinical practice. Causes within the artery, these included emboli develops in the relation with atherosclerotic plaque हो गया, aortic aneurysm, pulmonary veins या paradoxical arterial emboli हो गया. And affected of the arterial emboli depend upon the size, their size and site of lodgement and adequacy of collateral circulations. Effect of the arterial thromboembolism. First is the infarcts, gangrene, arthritis, and myocardial infarction, sudden death. Venous thromboembolism. Venous thromboembolism may arise from the following sources: DVT, deep vein thrombosis of the lower legs, a most common cause of the venous thrombi in the pelvic vein, thrombi in the pulmonary of the upper limbs, thrombosis of the cavernous sinus of the brain, and thrombi in the right side of the heart.